Morning. This is the start of my ride today. It's just gone 6 in the morning. I'm quite tired, but just making myself a coffee and then I'll be on my way. Well, it's still pretty dark, but I'm gonna set off now. And we're off! So I'm just going along the cycle path, the canal path. Yeah, no one's awake yet. Still going, it's getting lighter. Some really muddy bits today. And lots of branches on the ground. Just left Bradford Avon and on our way to road. Let's say our, my way. Just coming into Filey Hungerford Castle. Ticket shop's empty. It's raining and I'm a little bit lost. Right, back on track. Should be heading to Buckland Dean. When it stopped raining, 20 miles. Ooh. So I just arrived at Radstock. Not as rad as I thought it was going to be. This is one of my favourite little spots down here. It doesn't do this justice in the rain. 28 miles, so 2 miles to go. Just on the path from Wellow back to Monkton Combe sort of area.